Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start in the phone app, open voicemail, and tap the message you want. Once selected, swipe or tap to reveal controls and tap share. This shows AirDrop, messages, mail, and more. Make sure the voicemail is fully downloaded. If it's streaming, wait until playback completes. You do this because a complete file exports reliably. If you don't see share, confirm the voicemail provider and iOS version support export. Sometimes carrier limits block sharing, so check settings. Once share options appear, choose your method. Use AirDrop for nearby Apple devices, tap the contact, use messages to send via iMessage or SMS, then press send. For email, pick mail, enter an address and tap send, or save to files to keep a copy. Make sure to add context so recipients know what the file is. After you send, watch the progress indicator. Do not close the app until transfer completes to avoid corrupted files. Finish by confirming the recipient can play the M4A voicemail. You should also save a backup, tap Save to Files, or upload to iCloud Drive so you keep a copy if needed. If the recipient reports no sound or a missing file, make sure you re-download the voicemail before sharing and check network connectivity. Toggle Wi-Fi or cellular, then retry. If share is still unavailable, restart the phone app or the iPhone and try again. That often clears transient glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.